This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, June 12, 2017. Overview. Today we will see windy conditions. It'll be warm and dry. For Tuesday and Wednesday we will be cooler but will remain breezy. Thursday into Friday is going to be our best chances for rain, and then a dry and warming trend over the weekend. Big picture, there's an upper level low to our south. That's going to be ejecting northeast over the next couple of days. We're going to get some Gulf moisture wrapping in around that low. For the most part, that rain is going to remain to our southeast. Out in the Gulf of Alaska, or just west of the Aleutian Islands, there's another low pressure system there with a strengthening jet. That's going to be moving in, and it's going to be bringing us some rain for the Thursday night time frame this week. Our current highlights: we do have some wind advisories out, and Pendleton does have a red flag warning for their southern basin. The wind advisory will go out through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and the red flag warning going out through this evening. This is for gusting conditions and low relative humidities. So what kind of wind gusts can we expect for the Wenatchee area? So through the Cascade Gaps, the Kittitas Valley, we could see gusts to 50-55 miles per hour potentially. And then those strong gusts could be spilling out into like the Ephrata, Quincy areas. Another area where we will see gusts or winds increasing mainly over tonight will be in the northeast Blue Mountains and the southern Palouse. Tuesday will remain breezy. Top end wind gusts of near 50 miles per hour will be unlikely, more in the range of 40 to 45 miles per hour. Could see loose objects blowing around, some blowing dust around the Vantage area to Moses Lake this evening with the winds. And any fires that get started in the grasses will be susceptible to rapid spread as well with these winds. Precipitation forecast, this will be through Wednesday. You see very wet conditions with that low that will be ejecting northeast from Nevada. But again, a lot of this rain will be remaining towards southeast, but it will have some impacts with some of this rainfall getting into the Snake River, and I'll show a hydrograph of that in the next few slides. We're expecting a rise there on the Snake River. So the moisture plume for Thursday, I just thought this was kind of interesting. I wanted to share with you all. We will have a atmospheric river directed towards the region. The best source of moisture will likely be kind of south of the region, but this is extending all the way out to off the coast of Japan. So quite the elongated moisture plume that will be coming in at the end of the week. So the amount of rain that we can expect, the lighter kind of green area here between 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch or so, generally east of Colville to Spokane to like the Pomeroy areas, and up to 1/2 inch or so in the Panhandle. Up to 1 inch will be possible on Cascade Crest. We have strong westerly flow, so we should see a rain shadow in the lead of the Cascades, so most of the basin will likely not pick up much, maybe up to 1/10 of an inch at best. Some hydrographs. So I mentioned that the Snake River will see a rise with the rain coming over the next couple of days. The Stehekin River will also see some minor rises. The rise for Thursday into Friday will be highly dependent on how much rainfall we see at the Cascade Crest. But just would like to mention also that we're not expecting any rivers to reach flood stage this week. Weekend outlook, we will be back to seasonable temperatures, 70s to low 80s, just a slight chance of some showers over the mountains possible. Our 8 to 14 day outlook, so this will be for next week. We're expecting above average temperatures with high pressure building in, and then that's also going to bring us better chance for some drier conditions as well. We have some spotter training courses coming up. Both of them will be between 6:30 and 8:30 in the evening. So the first one will be Monday, June 19th, so next week. And that will be down in the Pullman area. And then also next week on Wednesday, so a week from this Wednesday, we're going to be holding a virtual live spotter training course. So details on that will be coming soon, and you should see a link of that on our webpage. All right, thank you very much. This concludes the weather briefing for this week.